Hey everyone, UGC videos have become one of the best ways for brands to advertise. Unlike traditional commercials, UGC videos feel much more natural. They're authentic, they're relatable, and people actually watch them instead of scrolling past them. The problem is, creating good UGC videos takes a lot of work. You have to find creators, ship products, wait for revisions, and spend hundreds of dollars on just one video. But that's changing.
With AI, you can now create realistic UGC-style videos.
In just a few minutes,
You can generate an AI creator.
Place your product in their hand
and turn that into a complete talking advertisement without ever recording yourself.
In this video, I'll show you the complete workflow that I personally use. We'll go step by step, and by the end, you'll know how to do it yourself. So let's get started. The workflow has 3 simple steps. First, we'll create our AI creator. Second, we'll place our product. And third, we'll generate the final UGC video. Let's begin with step 1. Step 1 is creating your AI creator. For this, I'll be using ChatGPT, but you can use any image generator as long as it creates high-quality, realistic images. Inside ChatGPT, click on Create Image and then write your prompt describing the person you want to generate. While writing your prompt, focus on a few important things. The first one is gender. Choose a male or female creator based on your product. Next comes age. Your creator should match your target audience. For example, if you're promoting a gaming product, a younger creator makes more sense. But if you're promoting something like a health supplement, you might want an older creator. Then comes ethnicity. Choose the ethnicity based on the audience you're targeting. After that, describe the style. For UGC videos, always keep it natural and realistic. Avoid cinematic lighting or studio photography because we want the final video to feel like it was recorded on a phone. Next, choose the background: a bedroom, a living room, an office, or even an outdoor location. Now, choose the camera angle: selfie style, eye level, or tripod framing. These usually give the most natural results. Next is coverage. It is how much of the influencer's body is shown in the image: facial close-up shot or full body shot. Also mention the aspect ratio as 9:16 because we'll be creating a vertical video. Finally, add any additional details like hairstyle, clothing, facial expression, accessories, or anything that helps the character feel more real. Once your prompt is ready, generate a few images. Don't just stop at the first result. Generate multiple versions. Then choose the best one because this creator will represent your product throughout the video. Now that we have our AI creator, let's move to step 2. In this step, we're going to place our product. This part is actually very simple. All you need is a high-quality image of your product. Make sure the product is clear, well lit, and not blurry. Now, upload both images into ChatGPT. The first image is your AI creator. The second image is your product. Now, simply ask ChatGPT to combine both images. For example, you can write something like, "Make this person naturally hold this product while maintaining the same lighting, camera angle, and realistic appearance." Generate a few different versions. Sometimes one image has better hand placement, another one might have a better facial expression. Having multiple options always makes the next step easier. Once you're happy, download the image. We'll use it to generate our final video. Now comes the most exciting part. Step 3 is generating the actual UGC video. For this, I'll be using the Google Flow video generator. Upload the image where your creator is holding the product. Now comes the prompt. Don't write one long paragraph. Instead, use a structured prompt. Start with the accent: Indian English, American English, British English. Choose the one that matches your audience. Next, define the mood. Do you want the creator to sound excited, casual, confident, or friendly? Then, describe the camera movement. Maybe they're holding the phone while walking, standing in one place, or recording a simple selfie video. Next is eye direction. Should they look directly into the camera the entire time, or occasionally look at the product while talking? Finally, write the dialogue. This is the most important part. Instead of writing one long paragraph, divide it into small lines. For every dialogue, also mention the action. This makes the scene feel very natural. For example, dialogue: "I've been using this product for 3 months. Action: pick up the product. Smile at the camera." Here's another example. Dialogue: "It's honestly one of the best products I've tried." Action: look at the product while speaking. This format helps the AI understand every moment. The final result looks much more natural. Once everything is ready, click Generate, then wait for the result. So here are my results.
Okay, I think I finally found a serum that's actually worth the hype. My skin has been feeling really dry lately, so I decided to give this serum a try. It absorbs into my skin almost instantly. Look at that glow. I've been using it every morning. If you're looking for a lightweight everyday serum, definitely give this one a try.
I think you'll be blown away. And that's the complete workflow, from creating your AI creator to generating realistic UGC videos. You can use this process for almost any product, whether it's a physical product, an app, a website, or even a digital service. I highly recommend experimenting with different creators, different prompts, and different dialogue styles, because small changes often lead to much better results. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe, because I'll be sharing more AI workflows, tools, and tutorials. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.